slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RepKicks back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Jordan 3 Retro True Blues from YesKicks. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, show some love for your boy, subscribe, drop a like on the video, turn on notifications for our channel, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram at RepKicks, and DM me if you have any questions related to any of the sites that are on the channel. So with that being said, man, let's just get straight into it. These took just before I get into it, actually, just a little disclaimer: I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. These are UA, so if you don't like that, you can click off the video right now. It's that simple. And now, without further ado, let's get into it. These took about 2 weeks to get here, week and a half, 2 weeks with FedEx from YesKicks. So yeah, I've been rocking with them for a while now, like basically buying from them since closer just after my channel started, actually. So yeah, man, haven't really had much issues with them. Quality's typically on point. Here and there you'll see some off stuff, but that's about it. So that's that. They came bow wrapped, double boxed, and yeah, can't really ask for anything else, right? So here's the seller information right here: YesKicks.cn, email service at RepKicks.cn, WeChat's right there as well. And if you use the code RVStuff for your first purchase on the website, you can save yourself 15 big bucks on there. So keep that in mind. And let's just get right into it, man. So here is the box, typical Jordan 3 box, nothing crazy, some scratches, creasing here and there, whatever. It's not super bad, with the elephant print on the side. Here you can see Air Jordan 3, the Retro OG, White Fire Red True Blue, size 9. These are from a friend of mine. So yeah, inside the box, you just got the paper and the elephant print, and that's it. So literally, that's it. So here are the shoes themselves. I'm not gonna, I'm trying not to take too much of your day or too much time out of your day for this video. So gonna be quick, sweet, short, to the point. But yeah, man, these shoes super on point. Right off the box, right out of the box, sorry. I don't really see anything wrong with them. The only thing I will say is it didn't come with the little rosary, well, little tag thing. Like, it came with the tag itself, just not this. So I just stole it off another pair and threw it on there. But you can see there's like no paint bleed even on like the air bubble and stuff. Just on point in general. Air bubble's nice and soft. Materials feel really good too, and just even just the stitching is just on point. You might have like some flyaways here and there, stuff like that, but you see that sort of stuff even on retail pairs, so it is what it is at this point. But you got that nice tumble leather up here. You can see how it creases, is super nice. Elephant print leather, I guess, suede leather, whatever you want to call it. It's not really suede, so it's kind of like leather. No paint bleed happening on the midsole, which is super nice actually. And yeah, man, just overall super clean. Cannot talk good enough about this pair of kicks, honestly. Usually there's something off, but I don't know. I'm sure y'all will be able to nitpick something, but I'm not super anal about anything. So as long as the shoe looks good, that's all I ask, man. That's all I ask. So bottom of the shoe, a little bit of paint bleed there on the gray, but nothing major. So yeah, sole looks good, outsole looks good. Oh, dropped the shoes. Back of the shoe got the Nike Air with the little pull tab. Got the Jumpman right there, nice and clean. Inside the shoe, Nike Air, size 9 men's. There's the tag, if y'all can see that, US 9. Then you got a little shoe tree, of course, with the Jumpman on it. But yeah, that's basically it for that. It does come with only one pair of laces. I mean, I don't know. I've never got this pair of shoes myself personally, so I don't know if it's supposed to come with an extra set. I don't think so. So yeah, just got the whites. So yeah, that's the right shoe. Left shoe, same thing. Really nothing really to complain about. I mean, you'll see some stuff here and there that's just like, oh, you know, quality control, whatever, but that's on like the same retail pairs of kicks that y'all be buying at like Foot Locker and Champs. So really, when it comes down to it, no reason to complain, right? Especially for the price you're paying. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it. You can see here, slightly sloppy, a little bit just on the paint there, but whatever, who cares. You got the threads there, stitching's nice and proper. Toe box shape is good as well. Again, really nice quality on the leather all throughout the shoe. Jumpman on this one, looking good. Same thing. Inside the shoe, got the Nike Air, just like the other one. Got the size sticker, shoe tree, size information in there, and yeah, that's basically it. Nothing really else to say about these, honestly. Like I said, review's gonna be very short and sweet. No point in dragging stuff on. It's not like this is a shoe we haven't seen before. So yeah, that's basically it for this video though, guys. If you're new to the channel, show your boy some love. With that being said, stay tuned for more heat, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.